2011 Mustang GT, Kona Blue. Motor went out on me at about 99,000 miles. Right now it's at 106,285. Put a Gen 2 short block in it from Ford, brand new block, cost me about $2,300 including the core charge. Motor, as you see, I've only put about 7,000 miles on it, and listen to it. It's got a pretty good tick to it. Let me see if I can capture it for you. Try to drive it forward just a little bit, see if putting a load on it makes it tick a little bit more. Did you hear that? How it picked up real quick? You guys think. I've done about 4 oil changes on it so far. First oil change I did after about 200 miles. Just had some conventional oil in there so that the piston rings would seat properly, and then switched it out for some 5W30 full synthetic. And every oil change I've gotten a lot of gold colored glitter and even some pretty sizable little chunks of material the same color, just all gold, kind of like a brass goldish color. So I've got the oil filter sitting up there. If you guys want to see it cut open, see what's inside it, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see if I can't get that thing open. I think it's probably a rod to piston bearing. That bearing is supposedly this color of material. If anyone knows any more about this, like, you know, what it's made out of, if you agree that it is the rod to piston bearing, let me know.